everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Diamond76 Home Decor on a budget. For today's video, I do have a small haul, and I also want to show you how I entertain. But I'm not sure how I'm going to title the video yet, but if you want to see what I'm talking about, then please keep on watching and let's move over here. Okay, for today's video, I received some items from CB2. That is an online company. I did not know that they were crate and barrel because I was wondering what the CB stood for. So I found out it was crate and barrel. Didn't know that. I have everything already taken out the box. The box is totally empty, and I'm just going to drop that on the floor. And what I want to talk to you about today is what would you do if someone popped up at your home? As far as entertaining, what I like to do for girls when my girlfriends come over, we just like to sit, talk, and we like to drink tea. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some of the items that I did order from CB2 to make it a little bit more fun. And let's go ahead and get started. Now, what I'm going to start off with is my tray. Okay, this is a huge tray that I did get from Ikea a while back. I have everything taken off the counter so that way I can have plenty of room. Also, what I do have is my favorite tea, which is called chamomile. I hope I said that right. It's called chamomile, and the box is empty because I took everything out. What I like to do is either two things. Number one, I do keep my tea in a container right here that I do keep on my counter in the back. And what I like to do is either prepare the tea before they get here, or depending on how light or how strong someone likes their tea, I would prefer for them to, you know, be able to fix their own tea. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, what I like to do is when I'm entertaining, I do like to go ahead and sometimes brew a big pot of tea. Now, this goes to my Keurig that is behind me, and it would be on your left. Okay, and this is something I haven't used this yet. This is something that I would like to use in order to fill it with water, and that's what the Keurig is for. It gives me the hot water straight out of it, and I can just pour it in here. And then what I like to do is, depending on what I'm using, stick the tea bags inside of the hot water, but have the bags hanging, you know, the string with the little tab on it. I like to have it hanging out. Don't like it inside of the of whatever it is I'm doing, the container or whatever. Now, if you don't have a Keurig like I do, you can just boil some water. And like I said, this is a haul too. Now, this is something I got from Home Goods. Okay, I thought this was really cute, really stylish, and I like the color gray. My color is different sometimes. Sometimes I have red in the kitchen, and then sometimes I have gray. And what I like about this is that with this right here, you know, it has a tab right here, and it's kind of hard for me to open it. That's why I'm using two hands, because it is new and I gotta break it in. But you can just boil your water, and if you want to, you can, let me show you something else. Now, if you boil your water in that, and this is something that I got from CB2 as well. This is a cute little teapot. Now, what you can do is you can pour the water inside of here, put your tea bags in here, let them sit. And what I like about this teapot right here is that it has a little lip right here that once you stick it inside, place it on top of the teapot, you have to angle it, okay, because of this right here will keep the lid from coming off if you forget to put your hand up here to pour the tea out. But you want to make sure that you have your hand up here to pour the tea. Now, all you have to do is just take the tea bags out and you're ready to go. And if you're looking for an alternative to a teapot, this one right here I had gotten from Home Goods. Okay, it has the same, let me see if I can get it off. It has the same lip right here that sticks out, so that way once you stick it inside of on top of the teapot, it will not fall off. But with this one, it has an indent right here, so that way once you put this on, you put it right in there like that. Wait a minute, let me see how I can get it on. And, oh, okay. And there you go. When I entertain for my girlfriends, I like to have cute different stuff, which makes it fun. I can either use this one or use this one, depending on how many girlfriends do come over. And what I also picked up from CB2, I picked up this creamer right here. It is something simple that you can just pick up and you can just pour your cream if you want to. This right here I also got from CB2, and it has the same indent right here that's sticking out, so that way when you put the lid on, it will not fall off. When it comes to ceramics, I am so glad that they have that. For one thing is, if I accidentally pick it up, it won't, you know, and I tilt it a little bit, hopefully it won't fall on the floor and break. Wait a minute. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Still getting over a cold. Now, another fun item that I also picked up from CB2 is these two containers right here. Well, to me, they're small pitchers. You can use either one of these as creamer if you want to. With this one right here, it's so cute, and it's sort of like in a mauve color, and I am really loving this color. And I wish I had gotten this one in this color and this one in that color, but that's okay. And if you want to, you can also use these for syrups to pour over desserts if you want to. You can if you want to, you can pour milk in here if you don't want to use creamer, or you can use both of them and have creamer and have milk in one for your company. Now, the next thing that I picked up from CB2 are these cute, adorable cups and saucers. Okay, and wait a minute. What I really love about these little saucers right here in these little cups is because they have the gold rim that is going around the cups. These cups are gray, kind of like a gray with a bluish undertone. That's what it kind of looks like to me. But the saucer even has the gold rim that is going around the saucer as well. Now, what you can do is, this is your tray right here. If you want to go ahead and do a little setup, you can. What I like to do is take my tea, sit my tea right there, take my saucers, and this is how I'm going to do them. I'm going to stack them on top of each other. Okay. And what I'm also going to do is take the teacups, I'm going to place them right here. Okay. And I'm only going to stack 2 at a time. Okay. And if I want to, I'm going to go with, now I'm going to have to, I don't think I'm going to put that on there, but I'm going to put that on there like that. And what I'll do is I can go ahead and bring this to the table. Now, If you want to, you can take the lid off of that. You can take some of your tea packets and you can stick them in here like this. Okay, and you can place that on the tray as well. And what I like about this tray, it does have handles and it has enough room for me to put everything on here, carry it to the table, or if I want to, I can just leave it right here on the counter. But I would have it decorated because y'all know me, okay? Or like I said, leave it like this, or if you're serving any kind of desserts or anything like that, I'm going to show you that also in a few moments. So I wanted to go ahead and do this first, and I didn't want the video to be too long, so I'm going to split it up. But this is how I would serve my tea for my girlfriends that are coming over. And like I said, I just wanted to, and I put this in because it goes with the cups and the teapot. And like I said, you don't have to use this for sugar if you don't want to. You can stick the tea packets in there like that if you want to. And if you don't want to use this one, you can use that one. But I would prefer using this one because it is a little bit bigger. And yeah, that is my video. I wanted to go ahead and show you the things that I got from CB2, and I also wanted to show you how I would entertain for my girlfriends that that would come over. If you like this video, please thumbs up this video. Again, my name is Diamond76, Home Decor on a Budget. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click that bell for any video uploads or any video notifications. And always remember to put that diamond touch on anything that you decide to do. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.